Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on ZTE Blade A31. So first of all, let's check the Google Play Store, search for the Fortnite, and as you can see the game is not available on Google Play Store. Now let's search for Epic Games app, which you can download from Epic Games Store website. And here you can find the Fortnite, but if we press on get, device is not supported, so that means the ZTE Blade A31 does not support Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.